We traveled to Lyon, France in the last video, where we learned about its history, including it being a birthplace of the motion picture and movie magic. Now, we travel to Lyon's present day to learn why it might be even more of a livable city than Paris. Lyon offered us a taste of the good life in France, but it's not packed to the rafters with must-see attractions and lengthy queues for art. France's second city manages to combine all the charm of an ancient capital with the vibrancy of a youthful, engaging metropolis. What became clear to us is that the people of this city value quality of life. Perhaps unlike Paris, this place is not made to visit, it's made to live. We are staying with friends in their lovely home in the center of the city. They took us out for an extensive walk around their city, and we learned so much about what makes this region special. Perhaps a surprise to many, Lyon has more restaurants per capita than any other city in France. Lyon is globally renowned for its gastronomy, and its ranks are swollen with famous chefs. The city has been lauded for the high quality of its produce and the prestige of its cuisine for decades. Our hosts themselves cooked us a wonderful meal with dairy and produce from the area to make traditional Lyonnaise dishes. Thank you for your hospitality, my friends. The food and the entire experience were wonderful. We visited nearly every neighborhood in the city and learned it is one of Europe's leading travel destinations. The climate is superb, but it can get hot from time to time. We recommend strolls and bike rides along the rivers, like we did. There is always a nice little market to explore, which are not overrun like those in Paris. Green spaces are certainly not lacking in Lyon, whether they be large gardens or smaller city parks. They are ideal for having picnics, doing exercise, visiting a zoo, or simply enjoying the surroundings. Lyon's parks are excellent spots to spend some free time. Life here is slow, easy, cultured, elevated. But don't get us wrong, the city has an eye to the future. It's constantly evolving. Let's run to the future and check it out.